Untitled
Today we are learning some special words today. We're learning how to say some sports.
Yeah.
All right.
What sport? Sports.
Sports.
What sports?
Well, you ask crazy questions. We're doing sports, Tony. Are you ready?
Da.
Da. Tri, chetri.
Da. Sad.
You're such a team player.
Is it sad or sada?
Team player for a
Sada?
team right here. The first word we're learning is soccer.
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 The word for soccer is nogomet.
Nogomet.
So your noga
Is your
is
head.
your foot.
Oh.
Nogomet.
I thought it was noggin. It'd be like head, right?
I'm gonna corral Tony D. Well, let's cook.
If you can find that shot color.
Let's cook.
No,
for
no.
Oh, okay, yes. Tony D, soccer is nogomet.
Nogomet.
Very good. Croatia's super awesome team that finished second place in the world a couple of years ago in the World Cup. Nogomet. Moving on. Basketball is košarka.
Košarka.
So when you're playing košarka, you want to make a koš, which is the basket. Košarka.
Košarka.
Odlično. Next word, volleyball. Odbojka.
What? Odbojka.
So the story goes like this. My cousin, who's a little bit younger than me, when she was, in her teens, would say that she would tell my aunt that she was playing on a girls' volleyball team. She's like, "Oh yeah, so-and-so, she goes and plays volleyball." And then later on, she was going to the cafes. And
busted.
And
The cafes?
just socializing.
Oh.
And only 15 years later did her cousin, Uncle Mike, rat her out.
Dang. On a podcast.
Hey, but once
For the world to hear.
everyone knows, no more hiding that. Odbojka is a good excuse. So when DJ Mo, when your kids say, we're gonna go play Odbojka, you know where they're going.
Yes, they're going to the cafes.
Cafe.
They're going to the cafes.
They're going to the cafiche.
They're going to the cafiche.
To drink
So
coffee.
Teta who? Heard the news?
Tetanella.
Tetanella.
Maybe 10, 20 years afterwards, because she was like, whenever we watch television and volleyball would be on, like, Antonia, she used to play Odbojka. Like, right, Teta. Teta means aunt in Croatian. We'll get there one day.
Yeah, Tetanella, she's really good.
She would start early and end late. Very much so. Okay, moving on. Bowling.
Ooh, I like bowling.
Kuglanje.
What?
That doesn't sound anything like bowling.
Kuglanje.
Kuglanje.
Right, so kuglica is like a pin. Kuglanje.
Kuglanje.
Odlično.
It's spelled pretty cool.
It's a cool one, right? Glanje. Kuglanje. Kuglanje.
Kuglanje.
DJ Mo's favorite is baseball. This is a tough one. Baseball.
Wait a minute, slow down. Baseball.
Baseball.
Baseball. Baseball.
Baseball.
Bejzbol.
Baseball.
Bejzbol.
That's one of those sports they're like, what are you guys doing? What's the point of this one?
Bejzbol.
Why does half the team sit down?
Nerazumiem.
Half the team sits down and one guy never runs. Nerazumiem? DJ Mo is like fuming right now at my critique of his favorite sport, baseball. From the top, Tony D, soccer is nogomet.
Nogomet.
Super. Basketball is košarka.
Košarka.
Volleyball is odbojka.
Odbojka.
Odlično. Bowling is kuglanje.
Kuglanje.
Baseball is bejzbol.
Bejzbol.
What's your favorite sport, Tony D?
Kuglanje.
Kuglanje. Really?
Yeah.
Well, you're pretty good. How do you say a bowler? Kuglanje.
I don't know.
Don't ask him that. Yeah, I actually bowled in college a little bit.
Hey.
Yeah.
So you're familiar with the movie Kingpin then? Is that one of your, based on your life story then?
Yeah, that's why I
Munson?
don't have a left hand or right hand.
You've been Munson before. DJ Mo, baseball, right?
Baseball.
Okay.
I do like Nogomet, though.
Nogomet is a good one.
I do
Yeah,
follow
me
some
too.
Nogomet.
Yeah.
Me
Love
too.
me some Nogomet. Odbojka. Hey, Odbojka for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
I used to really like it when I was younger. I used to really
Yeah,
love
I
Odbojka.
played a lot myself, too.
I think that's where I'm going to go right now.
Yes,
Yeah.
very nice.
Don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that like button.